today we're going to learn how to find limits from graphing a piecewise function. We have to graph, and here are the functions that we're going to graph. Here are the three different limits we're going to analyze and find. If you want, you can stop the video to take note. The first exercise we're going to find is the limit of f of x when x approaches -1 from the right. So this sign means we're going to analyze the graph from the right. This means when x approaches -1 from the right, we get 0 from our y-axis. So the result is 0.
We are going to analyze the next exercise, that is limit of f of x when x approaches -1 from the left side. When we see this sign, this means that negative sign means that the graph will approach from the left side. So as we can see here, the graph approaches -1, and the hole is in here, and we can see that it is on -1.
In letter C, we need to find the limit when x approaches -1. But in our graph, -1 has two different points that come from different sides. So because of that, the limit doesn't exist. Because a limit to be a limit, it needs to come from the left and from the right, but meet at the same point. So this one there is no limit. To understand the concept, we have here two examples of what it is a limit and what it's not. In here, we have that it is a limit because it comes from the left and from the right, and they meet at the same point. And in this one, we have an example of what it's not a limit because it comes from the left to 0 and from the right to another number. So because of they don't meet at the same place, this is not a limit.